In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you'll need to know for your requirements for your Wix page. And I'm just going to use this blank template. You'll see your navigation bar over here. This is where you will include all of your, or you will use this button to include your text and your images. It's pretty user-friendly. I just want to give you a chance to be creative and see what you can come up with. But in this video, I want to show you how to, let's say, hyperlink a word or a set of words so that when someone clicks on that word or words in your website, it takes them to another place on the internet. For example, if I were to click on the word Google, it should take me to the Google site. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to click on the plus button, and you can add, any type of text that you want. These are just examples that it's giving you. Okay, I'm going to use, let's say, this large heading, and I'll drop that in there, and I can actually edit the text. And let's say I want it to take me to my safety website. You found 3. So since I'm going to be working on the first page, I'm going to put safety website 1, and then on the second page, I'll put safety website 2, and so on. So I've got my information included in on my text, and I'm going to click out of that so that my menus go away. And now what I want to do is actually highlight the words or the word in this text box to hyperlink to another website. So let's say I use the word website. I'm just going to double click on that. Double clicking until you get the word or words that you want to actually apply this to. And when you do that, you'll have a text setting menu that comes up. And we're just going to go into this little chain link. Okay, so we'll click on that, and this is going to ask us what are we linking this word to. In this case, we'll be using another web address. Now, you should have found one of your safety sites. I actually opened mine up so I'd be ready for it. And I'm simply going to right click on that web address and copy it. Then go into my Wix, and I'm going to right click and paste. And when the person clicks on that word website, I do want it to open up a new window. I don't want it to change the current window, so I'll leave that one checked, and I'll click on done. So when your user, your audience, comes in and is working in your website, then they'll be able to double click on the word website, and it will take them to your safety site. Now, you'll do that for each one of your safety sites on each one of your pages. So you'll have one safety site per page, and it'll be a different safety site. If you recall, back when you filled out your safety packet, I did have you bookmark 3 safety sites. Those are the ones I'm talking about. And that concludes how to hyperlink a word on your Wix. Now, one more thing, I can show you how to actually hyperlink a picture. Let's say you want to add a button. It doesn't have to be a word. So I'm going to click on button. And so the audience will be able to see the button that I want to use. And you've got a lot to choose from here. You can go through. There's a little scroll bar. Tons of options. Kind of cool. I'll use this one right here. It's going to drop it into my Wix. I can move that around. Again, I can click on change text, and I actually want it to say, oops, it's already highlighted. I actually want it to say spelling is important. All right. And then again, I can add a link. It'll be a web address. I can paste that web address, new window, and done. And that's kind of a cool thing too. So if you want to hyperlink a button, you can do it that way. And that concludes how to hyperlink a button or words or images in your Wix.